everyone. Welcome to Let's Start Now English. I'm so excited to help you learn English today.
Lily, are you ready for another adventure?
Yes, Grandpa.
We are going to Rome, in Italy.
Rome! I have always wanted to see it. What should I bring for Rome?
Comfortable shoes and a curious mind.
I already have both. Traveling is exciting.
Every journey teaches us something new.
The sky looks endless.
The world is full of wonders.
This city feels ancient.
Rome is thousands of years old.
Did people really fight here?
Yes, long ago.
Rome feels alive with history. These stones are very old.
They are part of history.
I wish for more adventures.
What did you wish for?
This is the best ice cream ever. It looks like the sky inside a building.
It's the oculus. It connects us to the heavens.
Wow, Grandpa, so many painters.
Yes, Libinstigatzon.
Look, their paintings are magical.
Almost there, Lily.
Wow, Grandpa, Rome is beautiful.
It certainly is.
Wow, Grandpa, look at the buildings.
Yes, Lily. This is St. Peter's Square. It is magical.
Wow, so many pigeons. They're around me. Grandpa, this pastry is amazing.
It certainly looks delicious.
So flaky. Grandpa, look, the lights on the water are so pretty.
They certainly are, Lily, just like magic.
This sunset is magical.
It is, my dear, truly magical. Traveling is the best way to learn.
Grandpa, where will we go next?
The world is waiting for us.